Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to create a green smoky eye look. I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and apply it to the center of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take a dark green eyeshadow and apply on it. Take a light brown eyeshadow and apply it to the outer corner of my eye, blending it into the crease. Finally, I'm going to take a shimmery red and apply it to the outer corner of my eye, blending it into the lighter green. Apply balanced matted shade here. And last, apply eyeliner and eyelashes to give a glam look. I'll finish the look with applying kajal on below A-line and green black shaded here. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.